You don't know Octane and you don't know how me stay. Me as a youth, when me, you say any building, anywhere me there, me take care of the ground people them. You understand? Because we are get to come from Coronation Market. So all for my building, the only people that me black is me and two other person. And then the security them. Everybody are Hispanic or white. So all of the ground people them, the security them, all them people, me take care of them. They want money, the valet park, everything me take care of them. So them know me. And when them see me, Hispanic, Papi! That's Papi Jamaica, Bombo Clot! You know what I mean? Yeah, so them deal with me. Take care of all of them. No matter what place full up, when I go boom and push around the car, Papi, boom, them get them money. Alright. So, I make a link down there, them let her in. So, this girl go in from this girl, Bombo Clot, I say your place nice. My balcony. Everything. My chair. My blood clot, gold tile, she take everything. She in her shower, me shower head, oh she wash out her arm, cock up her front, go on with beer things. My blood clot, Versace boxers, my robe, my sheet, my bed slippers, bumbo clot, all my ras clot, spoon in a girl mouth, in a man food. So me go so boom now and the girl so me pick her up. Me pick her up a blood clot, what me say? JFK. What is that? What am I say? No, man, I cut off like a JFK, no people say we pick her up at JFK now. And I say, alright. So I'm ready for her. So remember she land 6 o'clock or 6:30. She land 6 o'clock, so I say I gotta reach her. Yeah. Remember 6:30. Go and wait, little girl. When I got blood clad, come stand up and you have to go through immigration and be things. I come from Bahamas, them go check you. Yeah. Them I go check you. See? Listen now, people who just are joining the live and this.
Nicholas, speak up.
Pussy clot. Government's great. One burger. I got some bomb now. Zane, you don't know me a neat, me a cleansing youth, you know. You know, yeah. Everybody will come around me. Any woman that me I talk to no do nothing once you live around me or you come live with me or anything. Because me a man wash, cook, clean, everything. Me a top chef, everything. And so me keep my place. Only thing I have to do is get up and looking nice and just give me inspiration. And we could do business together. Zane, I saw me stay. All my daughter them, as big as them be, 19, anything, and me take care of them, press them clothes, wash them thing,
problem
everything.
in a room.
That's why they love me like grass. Me wash, me son them, bathe them, take care of them, everything. Wash, my daughter them, me comb them here, all of them, love them father like grass because so me deal with them. Hug them up, nurture them, everything, me wash, me clean, then wake up in the morning, me cook, me go run all 6 o'clock in the morning, me wait up them, get them food, this everything. Them bed are spread. I still teach them and I show them say, oh, so you do it because you grow up and you have your family. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. Very. I may instill these basic fundamentals in them. But me I do it because for me it's just a regular thing. I been I take care of my brother them and my sister them from my mother carry me go Coronation for me at 5. And me I take care of my brother and sister them for me at 9. Me I wash, me I cook, me I do everything for them. Grow. Them can't tell them. So it embedded in me, right? So me always do them something. Clean the place. The people them I take care of my place. Me help them. When them come, them just come and reason with me and say, you know, me have to reason with you because the building I got ready. Them come, me give them my money. Them say, nothing there, so if you clean.
Free money.
Me alone in the house. So me just, my sheet, me just spread off of my sheet and lie down right there, so. And when me done, me just spread it back. Nothing no move. See it? Anyway, back to the story. This girl take picture of everything, you know. Let her in her condo, take picture of everything. Go at it. Me I go pick her up and I say me need some turmeric shot. Clean out my liver and me thing them. Boom. Make me turmeric shot and reach at the supermarket. See me bridging. Wow, go on. Boom, buck like address where you deal it. Yo, you the song with Shane or running place. Opportunity, so no lose me. Yeah, I feel good. The man say, oh, boom, buck like. That girl, you see one girl I post all the while, you know. Me man I cheer them in a browning. The brown, I browning, that browning. Man, give me a girl, you know. The man that ask me, you know. The man give me one of them. And the man say, bumbo clat, and me have the next one. Bro, and me a knock it at you, I'm to pick it up and I knock it. One day I'm to knock it at you, me and my wife apart, and she pull up and me just have to just ease her up. But tomorrow, say, me say, me pick her up, so she tell the man, tomorrow. And the man there, so the man I say, yeah man, that girl, the man say, you don't know that girl, and me say, yeah man, me know her man. The man say, yo, look here. This way the man with me in bumbo clad phone, me see me shower head in him phone, me see pum pum, me see all that water we splash on the boat, and me think me alone have a special hit in my man phone. The same text them, the jazz scratches will move in the man phone. Everything, me say me could have sing to the bumbo clad earth, you know, I go cool off in a cool again there, man.
There for your ball, I style.
I cool off in a cool, Chevy. Me I tell you, Chevy, bumbo blood clot out there, bricky, but me have to cool off. You hear me, man? Backshot queen. Listen to me, backshot queen. See? Because of bomb the man with me phone and everything in a man phone. The man said, God, knock it. Zane, man, I show me all the text them, you know. The bumbo clad girl I write more romantic text to the girl more than me was spending money in a dog. Bumbo clad. Me say, Jaja.
You're a wicked brother.
The man say, yo, Ray, me can knock it. See? Remember me tell the girl, so I say, babe, oh you send me picture in a close up. Send me a sexy picture, and I look how long me no see a no picture. Girl say, babe, man, get ready. And I snap something. Have on bad suit and Ray hat. And the girl say naked, full naked, everything in her man phone, face not hiding or nothing, you know. And then one scene, you know, the one
link
scene.
me off here, though. You have to link me off here, brother.
And you know them one see picture there. It's saved in her man gallery, you know. Royal. It's saved in her man gallery. I saw me have it tomorrow in my hand. And it come like a parking to me catch the blood clap. That's a chimbles. Bumbo clat. Yo. Yo. Bumbo clat. That young one, boom boom after step. Fuck she is it. That will be scared. That's what I'm saying.
Don't your money now, yo. People don't want to no, you right away.
Big it out. Y'all pussy wet.
Yes.
What going?
I'm my driveway, my friend.
You coming out?
You coming out?
No, but why is my driveway? Why are you supposed to be parking here?
They live here.
No, he live at the next.
You're coming
next
out?
house.
You're coming out?
Huh?
You coming
no,
out?
we are not supposed to be parking there.
We were rolling a
Go
reason.
parking over there, whatever, but not here.
Why not?
You know why? Because my house.
So, but we're on the sidewalk.
Yeah, the sidewalk.
Yeah.
The driveway, my driveway.
So you're in your house, right?
My friend.
You're
my friend, please.
you're
you can move. You know that. Please.
You know him?
More than the other place.
Next year, I'm leave money. I'm good.
You know
Yeah,
him?
that's not. You know live here. You live in there. Please.
So you know him?
Okay.
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's supposed to be
Over
parking
there.
here, my friend.
I'm alright, man. That's simple matter,
We're
really.
not
Just
doing-
say, no, I'm good,
We're
man.
not doing nothing.
I'm alright, man. No.
Alright, Papi, no worries.
All right.
Yeah,
please.
good. Go on.
That's my house. That you live there. You parking there.
Papi,
whatever.
everything good. Them and all
Alright.
yourself. Big up yourself.
Please.
Yeah, do it.
Alright,
Yeah,
yeah.
do it.
Respect.
Yeah, do
Thank
nothing.
you.
No, man, you're mad, man. I'm good, man.
Yeah, do nothing.
Alright, man.
They not safe on the camera. I'm gonna give him my eyes. You know, do nothing.
I'm alright, man. I'm alright.
Yeah, do him something.
Good, man.
Papi interrupt your bun to blood.
Fully.
I wonder if you do something. You want to do something? What if you do?
Don't tell us what we do. What we do? We not doing nothing, man. I'm alright.
What if you do?
You know what? Lucky, we never dip on the live with time up, you know, man.
Bumbo clad house now. Tell me now, father.
Yeah, in our house.
And the
Where you come
piranha
out,
around
Tago?
there, dog, yo, me not feel, yo, dog. You know, me never tell if you test you straight. Me want to see you straight. Give him sit there, man. Give him sit there. Wait a second, if you give him sit there or calm down. Mellow 5. Big up your bumbo clad self, Mellow Vibe. Your bossy song, Mellow Vibe. Mellow Vibe praise and bossy song. Mellow Vibe, let me tell you. But yo, I'm gonna chop off of the Wi-Fi, bro.
No, man, your Wi-Fi now move, man.
Nah, move. Where are you?
Park at my gate then, brother.
Park here.
Yeah,
Then alright, the man bumbo clad, the man having big candle right and poppy. Where's over the game sitting?
No, man, I'm alright. Give me, man. It's a waste of time, that, brother.
Yo, the man come out of the house and this a cool effect. We are black and he carry a chocolate. Yo, bumbuck like man talk to me in front of 600 people hard, bro. So me talk my bun story, them a girl fuck for me. Me I play the song.
Nicholas, believe the man, no, brother.
The man them make
what
it
fuck with?
The man them make it bumbuck like man them record this people like this people live. We can't sing the song, so me bad again, Mellow Vibe. Alright, you know what? Yo, hold on. Let's park it up. Let's park it up.
Man, that young one, but boom boom off the stairs.
Fuck shit. Fuck shit.
When me go south, the fuck can make Yankee me can't give me house. When me go Yankee me.
Mellow, remember you this, you know? Alright, you don't know. It a glitch people now see me. When I see me, tell me if you not see me. Big up Mellow Vibe. When I see me?
Think a bumbuck like KFC Wi-Fi in my house, brother.
No, man.
Glitch what?
No, me ask them, man.
You know if you ask them.
Alright, good. Watch out now on the Mellow Vibe just drop. Mellow Vibe just join the live. You see? Yeah, my Mellow Vibe find this song and bust the song. People planned up. That man must find this song and bust the
Boom boom
song.
off the stairs.
And just run with it. Big damn. That fuck shit.
Ah, wait it.
Come on, it's great. What the fuck shit? Yo, me feel like if you get one, yo, it not sit right in my spirit, you know. What I feel like? If you get something, that brother, if you get something a while ago, tell me upon the life. Or if you just behave yourself.
Story time.
Joan, what go on? I needed to finish the story.
Down, brother.
Hold on, make it live this.
Man, brother.
Make it live this time.
Man, yard gate.
No, make
Look,
it.
man never come out with something.
You're mad, you want me.
And then we have to go.
You want me buy it out in short, you idiot.
Yo!
Come out to do what? You have blood clot, idiot. I want to the boy, man. I don't give you a rub for cheap. Yo, hey, don't ramp with me now, bro.
Dog.
What me fi do him now? What me go do him now? Tell me. You know what this day, what me fi do?
Good man, I feel him just you know?
Chana. Anyway, back to the story now, Mellow Vibe. So Mellow Vibe, me pay meet this girl. Me I give them the I-Octane fuck pan story. Me give them one word here now. Me give them one word here where girl take me $500, them time $500 just a drop in and me go a girl yard. Girl take my money go cook food. Invite me a yard. Tell me say she live with her mother. But her mother work for the weekend. So she don't want to give me no pum pum in a fear community. She want me come out there. So me left out of my community, go a girl yard. Girl a cook. Me no eat meat. Girl cook chicken back and dumpling and them something. I say, alright then, here. That time me no bus set, you know. Years me I tell a boy, you know. I say, alright, here. Take me $500, $50 for go back home. It's a long time that, you know, $500 just a come in. $50 for go back home, Ray, boom, bam. She go spend half my money buy tin mackerel and darlem something and Ray and something. And then now she shared food me. Them time me just a racing and high, read some different book. See me I read about Kwame Nkrumah. Me I read about some different type of leaders in the world and me brain out of space. Me in a celestial state of mind. See? So, anyway, I say Empress, Bless, Queen, Ray, she share the food them. So she have a mix lemonade. All of them suck me I go out the door. So she have squeeze lime. All of them suck me I sit down and wait for food and me and her have to sit down with so we could prove over the food. So she, the sugar and water, lemonade need some more lemon. She go out there and when she run come back she said Jesus Christ in come. Me say wait who? She say hide. One way in, one way out. Zane, I mean if you hide in the house the whole night, the man fuck it the whole night, me hear it, me deaf. Zane. Soldier. Man step up on the step, it's a soldier boot. Camouflage. Me run under a bumbo clad bed, them time me about 100 pound. Me try run under a bumbo clad bed, you know. And can't go under the bed, half of me bed and half of me in blood clot. Half of me under just you know. Me tell her from 8 o'clock in a bumbo clad night, you know, me have to take down my foot. Me see one rifle, me see one SLR, one rifle just boom, put down beside my foot, you know. And the man say, baby. The man say, baby. Bumbo clad, they expect me. So you have 2 food and girl wicked you fuck the girl say, you know say, me just buy, he cook the chicken back and me never like it and me just cook the tin mackerel and me just rare.
Yeah there.
The man say, no, you have to go near me chicken back, you know, tin mackerel, plus pepper in it. Bro, me sit down and hear the man near my food every time the man cut the plate, you know. Me hear the bumbo clad thing clinging up, man near my bumbo clad food, you know. The man say, baby, oh, you take out all my cup and big jug say, you know, man, drink me sugar and what? Your bumbo blood clot. Then the man got beard, you know. The girl tell me say she no fuck no whole heap of man and she have semi-virgin. You know. The man take if soldier pill them in the man belch when the man near me food, the hungry kill me, you know. When the man go, me I hear that blood clot a one way out. I saw me have me under the bed till us me neck alone and hurt me numb. No bad, no blood.
Yeah, move.
My mom no consume no food, you know. And me on the bed, you know. Me there over so them up the bed. You know what I mean? Over that side there. Man go in the shower and come out, you know. Remember say the girl bed, put on one little cut off something. And in a jazz alone, one little sexy jazz. And you know them could seductive thing there, but they way. Me a man slap that and just go in the bathroom go bed, you know. So the man come out and just brace off and a big back TV when me sit down and watch. Me see man just come out and me hear the light go ploof. And then me hear, bumbo clot.
Done it.
I done it. Not even hear buds could have save. Me hear, whoa, Jesus, Lord Christ. Me hear every name where a girl can call when I get fucked.
Yeah.
Me hear big hood. And me mom, I walk with that. Me hear big hood. Stretch hoop.
I show you it's alright.
Bro, me traumatized.
No most traumatized, man.
Me I think about it and I say, bumbo clot, DJ, kill yourself. Yo, bro, when I time me get mad and can't bother listen fuck, I hear the man say, girl, if you ever give her that pussy and me kill you, I say, Jesus Christ, boy, calm yourself.
But DJ, when the man done a blood clot bathroom, brother, shall lift up, brother.
No, me can't. A one way, one out. I remember the bathroom, the right at the door, and it open.
Pussy clot.
Brother, I remember said that the girl cheat me. I remember one, I couldn't left the place. I couldn't run out of the place. Remember 8 o'clock, and in between, the curfew are going down there. That's why I'm down there. But I'm bridging it for do it, but in switch his place, because she live down there.
Yeah.
So what you know is from the bus park to Fear Yard, they have a bad neighborhood in between. So me can't run out the boy, they may kill me over there. So. And then the soldier try kill me. Remember I say the soldier tell her, I say, oh, this a the soldier tell her, I say, this a pussy mash up my marriage, you know. I say, bumbo blood clot. The man a ram that the man get. The man a fuck it for 2 hours straight.
Yep, bumbo clot under them pill there. Soldier man being a brother.
Look people, look. I swear, man a fuck it for 2 hours straight. Man a fuck it for after 8. No. In church at about 9 o'clock. Because I turn down my phone and I watch it time. A man a fuck it for 9 o'clock till about 11:30. When the man bust off the blood clot, come like a one donkey break. The whole community here to blood clot. I said, bumbo clot.